Welcome to Beast Ride DIY. I'm on the Harbor Freight website to show you 25 deals under $25. So they have a bunch of these deals now. Some are going to be instant savings deals and some are going to be dollar days coupon deals. So just keep that in mind. First up, we have this UV resistant black cable ties. These are a 100 pack here for $1.94. You're saving 47%, and this is an instant savings deal, so you don't need a coupon for this one. And they're good for outdoor use too, so they're not going to fall apart when they're outside over time. Next from Hardy are these high-vis polyurethane coated work gloves. They come in medium, large, or extra large. These are going to be 20% off at $1.99. They were $2.49, and they've got that little coating on the palm so you're not going to get cut when you're working outside. Pittsburgh has these 6-in-1 screwdriver nut driver sets for $2 or 19% off. They were $2.49. Nothing crazy, but a deal. This is going to be a coupon deal, and you can get up to 4 at this price, but just keep in mind you will need the coupon for this deal here. And you get 2 bits, 2 slotted bits, and 2 nut drivers. Next, from Bunker Hill Security are these 30.3 caliber ammo boxes for $3. Now these are 57% off, so that's a good deal. And you don't have to put ammunition in these. You can put electronics, really whatever you don't want to get wet. And this is going to be 57% off at $3. It was $6.99, I believe. Now next up from US General are these 6-inch magnetic part holders. They come in different colors. This is going to be 20% off at $3.99. This is an instant savings deal, so whether you want to put your parts in this, they come in all these different colors: red, black, blue, green, and silver. And you can actually put them on the side of your workstation. That's probably what I would do. You can also put them upside down, but that would make me nervous, and I don't see a ton of practical uses for that, so I would probably just kind of stack it on the side here. Next up is this painter's tape. This is from Stick Tech. You're getting 60 yards of 0.94-inch painter's tape for $3.99. This is an instant savings deal. It's going to be 20% off. It was $4.99, and this is going to be great if you just need some painter's tape without damaging the areas around it or getting paint on them. Next from Hardy are these pigskin leather work gloves. These come in medium, large, or extra large, and these are 33% off at $4. Now this is a coupon deal, so you will need the coupon, and you can get up to 4 at this price. Now Gordon, you're going to get these 3-inch skeleton frame pocket knives for $4. This is going to be 42% off. And these are in a nice size. I think they're 3 inches, and I'm going to show you a picture here. This is it folded up. And it's got that skeleton design, so it's kind of breathable. And this is what it looks like with someone just having it with their gloved hand on right here. So pretty nice, lightweight knife. Next from HFT is this 8-foot 6-inch by 11-foot 4-inch all-purpose weather-resistant tarp. And these are not going to crack under freezing temperatures, they're saying. So with winter coming up, this is going to be 28% off. Now Braun has these 250 lumen portable folding LED work lights. These are only going to be $5. You can get up to 4 at this price, and these are going to be 37% off. And they do have a magnetic kickstand base, which you can use for secure placement, and then a pivoting handle with a 360-degree swivel hook, they're saying. And you can also hang it up top like they were showing. Next is this 24-ounce ball peen hammer, and it's coming in at $5 at 28% off. And this is for metal fabrication. Now I need to pick one of these up. This is a 20-bin medium portable parts storage case for $6.99. It was $9.99, so you're saving 30%. And this is nice and rugged, so you can put screws, really whatever you need to in this, and just kind of lug it around. They're not going to fall out of the bins because it's flush with that transparent part there. From Voyager, this is a 15-inch tool bag with 14 pockets. You can kind of see all what it's able to store here. A nice mid-sized tool bag. This is going to be 30% off at $6.99. Now coming up next is this larger tarp. This is 11-foot 4-inch by 11-foot 6-inch all-purpose tarp. So this one's just a little bit bigger. And again, it's not going to freeze with freezing temperatures. This one's going to be $7.99. And guys, if you appreciate these type of videos, go ahead and leave a like down below and a comment if there's something you'd like to pick up. Next from Pittsburgh, you're getting this screwdriver set. This is an 8-piece set with those comfort handles for $8. This is going to be 19% off. And keep in mind, this is a coupon deal, so you can get 4 at this price, but you will need the coupon to get it at that price. From Warrior, this is going to be the security bit set with case. It's a 100-piece set at $8.99. 10% off here, nothing crazy, but you're getting the carrying case and you're getting the 100 pieces also. Now this is an 8-foot by 10-foot silver and black extreme duty weather tarp for $10.99. You're saving 15%. And with that silver, it's going to protect from, or the silver side, it's going to protect from heat as well as block light. So something more for the summer if you're still getting hot temps. From Braun, this is a 750 lumen LED portable work light with rotating handle or stand. So you're getting a pretty decent amount of lumens for $13.99. You can use this for camping, set it up under your hood, really wherever you need it if you're working on a job. You can even use it for painting as well. Next up from Warrior, this is a 12-volt cordless 3/8 of an inch drill kit with battery and charger. So you're getting everything here for less than 15 bucks, $14.99. This is an instant savings deal. You're not going to need the coupon. And this is a 12 clutch drill. They're comparing it to like a Black & Decker, although I've never used a Warrior drill. Let me know in the comments if you have and what you think of it. They've got another deal on these 5-gallon gas cans from Midwest Can. This is going to be $19.99, 9% savings here. They were $21.99. And they're just giving you a cross section of what it looks like inside, although I'm not sure why you would need to know that. From Vanguard, this is a 100-foot 16 by 3 gauge indoor outdoor extension cord. Not a bad price on this at $24.99, especially for 100 feet. A savings of 16% here, and I'll show you both sides what they look like. This is a pretty high rated cord. Looks like it's got about 4.8, 4.9 stars out of 5. Now the reason this one is a little bit higher priced at $44.99, you're still saving 18%, is you're getting 2100 lumens with this light. So a pretty high powerful light. This is an LED rechargeable magnetic compact floodlight. So you can recharge this thing, and it's magnetic as well, and you can kind of pivot it on its base like you can see here. So really nice powerful light. You can kind of use wherever, and it's going to give you that power, 2100 lumens, whereas the cheaper one at like $2 is 250. This is 8.5 feet by 3/4 of an inch double-sided mounting tape. You're going to get this for $, 49% off, originally $199. This is a coupon deal, so you will need the coupon to take advantage of this, and you can get up to 4 of these at that price. This is an L-shape hang-all 2-pack. So this is a hanging hook here. You get the 2-pack where you can hang hoses, whatever you need to. This is great for garages, man caves, whatever you need it, to hang up tools and things like that. Now this is a 5-gallon diesel can, so the yellow is identifying it for diesel fuel. This is going to be $19.99, and it's carb certified as well. So this has pretty high reviews, maybe 4.5 out of 5, and this is going to be a 5-gallon can here. So that's all the deals here, guys. I hope this helped. And this is on the website as well, so in case you forget anything, you can go back in the video or actually go on their website as well. And this is a mix of the instant savings and coupon deals. They also have some more coupons, which I may go over later.